1. Using the inbuilt feature. Step 1. Press and hold the sleep or wake button. It is usually located at the top or side of your device. Step 2. Press and release the home button as quickly as possible. Step 3. The screenshot will get saved in the camera roll album of your Photos application. Note: if you are iPhone 5s, 5c or iPhone SE user, beware that the sleep or wake button is on the top. 2. Using Capture 10. Capture 10 is designed to take screenshots of video frames, a feature otherwise impossible to implement in an iPhone. It is a free application, including all in-app purchases, available on iTunes. Step 1. Choose the video you want to take screenshots of and play it. Step 2. Slide along the seek bar and touch the capture button every time you want to capture your screen. Step 3. You can view all your screenshots in the results screen. Scroll horizontally and select the image you want to save. Step 4. Touch the photo album button to save your screenshots. 3. Using Assistive Touch. Assistive Touch can help you capture a screenshot without the hassle of syncing your pressing of the lock button and home button. Step 1. Go to Settings, General Accessibility, Assistive Touch. Step 2. Turn on Assistive Touch. Step 3. Press the white button, click the device option on the right. Step 4. Press the More option. Click Screenshot. Your screenshot will be saved in your photo albums.